guys, Jen here with the Rogue Homestead. I am gonna plant some potatoes in containers today, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So first off, these are my potatoes, and they have all these little eyes growing off of them, and that's actually where the potato plants grow. So I'm gonna use a knife, I'm gonna cut them so that I can use each one of these eyes, or the eyes that are growing the best, as the potato plants. So you just grab your knife and you cut the potato. So I'm gonna kind of just push some of these little eyes off here, and I'm just gonna leave this big guy as my potato eye, my potato plant. Those ones are kind of small, but let's cut this one. So there's a big eye, so I'll use that one. And then those two are pretty big, so I'll probably just end up using these potatoes in this bucket. So the more potato eyes you have in your bucket of soil, the more plants you'll have. That means the smaller the potatoes will be, but that's okay. I'm not worried about having humongous potatoes. If they're on the smaller scale, we're totally fine with that. So I'll show you guys how we do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my soil. I'm just gonna dump a little bit of soil in here. Okay, just a little bit of soil on the bottom. Break up any large chunks. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my potato eyes and I'm just gonna stick them in. Now this is where the plant grows up. So you tuck them in and make sure that these plants face up. Okay, then from here, all we're gonna do is we're gonna add soil on top of it, okay? Fill it almost all the way up to the top, and then I'm gonna top it off with some compost at the very top. I'm not gonna pack it in. I'm just gonna kind of smooth around gently, kind of push it down. But potatoes kind of like it loose, like the loose soil, so that they can grow up and spread out. So now I'm just gonna take some handfuls of compost and put it right on top, kind of like a mulch. And also when the water hits it, or the rain, all of the nutrients from this compost are gonna fall down, and they're gonna feed and go through the bottom of the soil and feed those potato plants. And it's as easy as that. One container done. I'm gonna do a couple other containers. Okay guys, here are the potatoes in their respective pots. So we have 6 of them right now. They're all just lined with compost, and all I've done is, after I planted them, I just watered them in, and they kind of look like they're really dry, but then if you remove this top layer, look at that, it's definitely moist in there. So you don't have to worry about watering them every day. If they get really dry, water them. Just kind of check on them. They don't need to be watered every single day. So, and then there's peas in that one. Hoping those start growing soon. And then kind of an update on the GreenStalk here. I've got the strawberries. The lettuce is still looking really good. And kind of back here, I have, if you can see, right there, I've got some radishes coming up. So the seeds are working. Here's an update on the solo cups. The red ones are the tomatoes. And look at them. They're looking awesome. And then we did melons and peppers, and those have not come up yet, but we're still watching. And then over here, Justin got me some already started tomatoes and peppers. I'm super excited to start planting those. But yeah, so that's the update. Well, you guys, that was a quick and easy container gardening video on potatoes. So I hope that this was helpful for you and that you guys got something out of it. If you did, we would love it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to us for some more tips and tricks in the garden and also in the kitchen. We also have an Instagram at The Rogue Homestead, and we would love it if you guys would follow us there too. We'll give you updates on when new videos are coming out. And we hope to see you guys soon. And like always, I hope you have a nice day, no matter where you are.